Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Gcash developer option that doesn't work. So if you get this message on your phone when you open the Gcash, here's what to do. So first of all you go to your phone and find the app where it says settings on your phone. So mine's over here, settings. Your may be different. Tap here, and once you're on this settings, go all the way on the top where it says search, then type in developer and tap enter. Once here where it says developer option, tap here, and once in here you should see an on and off switch. You want to make sure the switch is off right there, and then you could go back, and then you could just go off, and then go to Gcash app. First you want to restart your phone and then go to your Gcash app, and once you go to Gcash it should work fine. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.